Hey guys, Ryan McKenzie here with Quality Equipment and Parts. Today I'm going to introduce to you the brand new 2022 Barko 930B. Let's take a look. So this 930B is equipped with these massive 67L tires, a QSL 9 Cummins engine with 320 horsepower, has a winch option, and this beautiful new Prinoth M650 2350 head. The new and improved M650 Mulching head from Prinoth has been redesigned for 2022. It includes 72 UPT style teeth, breaker bars on both the flap and the inner liner, a hydraulic flap, and a hydraulic push bar. This massive head is driven by two powerful variable displacement motors and is ready for any mulching application you can put it in. This mulching monster from Barko was purposely built for the forestry mulching market and has design features incorporated in it that help accomplish that longevity that you expect from the Barko name. One thing that Barko's done in recent years, they've updated their center section from previous year models. They put easy access panels in the frame and in the back for access to the engine and the drives. They've also incorporated these multi-point remote lube areas as well, among many other features. Let me show you some more. On the rear side of the machine, a few things I need to point out are the access panels for your cutoff switch. There's a DEF access panel here. Your fuel access panel is covered to keep trash and debris out of the fuel area on top of the machine. And then on the back of the machine, you'll see access to your winch with the winch ready option and access to this massive reversible fan hydraulic system. This is the key to what keeps the Barko machine so cool. Also here on the back, you'll notice the rear view camera mounted in the upper panel of the back. Then I'm going to open these panels and show you access to the rear fan. You'll notice that the doors are really easy to open. There's the two latches, one top and bottom. Twist and pull. That locks in place. From here you can get to all your radiator, your hydraulic cooler, and your air-to-air cooler for ease of access to blow them out. On this side of the machine, you gain access to check your engine oil, the hydraulic oil level on the side of the machine here, oil fill in this upper panel, which is also like the fuel tank. It's covered by a cover and latch system to keep that material that's coming out of the trees from falling into that system. And then behind these covers, you'll also find access to the air filters. Here in the cab, Barko has a very ergonomic and comfortable design. It's got an air ride seat, active joysticks with controls for boom up, boom down, all your head functions. And it also has an option to do a joystick steer just like you would in a skid steer. Down in the floor you'll find your brake, forward and reverse. It's got a defroster system on the window, rear view camera, JVC stereo system, this brand new redesigned control center from Barko, that provides you all your pertinent information, stop switch for emergencies, control pad, AC, phone charger, and a 12-volt DC charger for any other accessory. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check us out on Facebook at Quality Equipment and Parts. And last but not least, if you want more information about this machine, please give us a call at 386-754-6186. Have a great day.